how the pros do it.
That looks good.
That looks good.
Sticker on my car now.
Alright, so old steering wheel, new steering wheel that's not that new. I'll just swap it out because whatever. Real quick install. Alright, so you gotta take these covers off on both sides, and then there's 2 bolts on each side, 2 Torx on each side. And then now all the bolts are out and you go like that. I already disconnected the airbag and that shit, so that's it. Break the nut loose. Easy. Huh? Boom.
Get your shoes off.
Look at that.
Ready for the nicer wheel.
And then you throw that one on, line it up, ready for the net.
New wheel.
Nut tight,
Zapped on.
little thingy. Boom. We're done. Alright, so today we're polishing the wheels on the G35. Just got done spraying them all down. Power washer. I got some special wheel cleaner for them. It's got a brush and then some McGuire's all-wheel cleaner. I'm gonna scrub them down, and then I got some just a cheap way to polish them up. Nothing really expensive or crazy. Because I plan to rebuild them at some point with all new parts. I want to triple chrome the faces and then get bigger lips for them, because these are way too small. They'll look good. So to polish them, I just got some fast orange. It's cheap. It works a little bit. Can't really get worse, only get better. They're all pretty nasty. This one's like the best. Or no, this one's pretty bad.
The other one. We did the Ryler. That was the one we cleaned up for sure.
No, it's the one you're doing right now. It's just we did it like for like 2 minutes to just test it. This wheel cleaner smells fucking terrible. This is awful. So after just a regular wheel cleaner and 1 pass with the fast orange, this is what we got. It's not mirror just yet, but it's getting there. I'll probably do another pass or 2 with the fast orange before I move on to the next wheel. The fronts are a little more time consuming than the rears will be, because we have a special way to do the rears because it's a rear wheel drive. While I'm working on that, Cooper's roof wing is coming off, so we're redoing the 3M on it, but it's stuck again. Alright, so with the header install, I wanted to show what the heating stuff is done, the coloration with the heat. I thought it was pretty cool. A little checkup on the exhaust. Still doing pretty good. The coloration's pretty cool. I just wanted to show it off. Right now. Fast one. You can see where some idiot on the tire mount clamped it from the inside of the lip. So some fucking moron just destroyed these wheels.
I see it. No, I see the difference.
Yeah, you can really tell the difference now.
Definitely a lot more cloudy over here. Yeah. Alright, so I'm getting subbed in to do this side. This is the before. There's a little bit of water spots and stuff that will come out. I just wanted to show before. We're cleaning these wheels, but we're going to do the supersonic cleaning way. Get the wheels spinning. Just hit them. Hit them with the polish. Yeah.
We'll spin it clean.
I'll get it. Hit it with the fast orange.
Apply. Yeah, boy. The curb rashes are snagging it.
I'll get it cleaned out. I'll get it cleaned out, guys. We just noticed a warped rotor. I don't know if the camera will pick it up. It might pick it up. Does this side have it? No. Actually, yes. Little action. Look at the outside of it. Yeah. Let's see. Come back microfiber. That's how the pros do it. That looks good. That looks good. Rolling it. Gotta show the final detail. All the detail and secrets.
Feel the bent lip.
That looks crazy on this. Look how crazy this is.
So, kind of did a first pass on everything. We might do the rears again, so it could just be cleaner. Wouldn't hurt to do it again. We got time. Really, it just needs. I'm just gonna get new lips eventually. This one has a bent one, and they all got a ton of curb rash. So I'm just gonna, at some point, I'll just get new lips, and then triple chrome the faces and new hardware. So we got all of them done. Some of them look better than the others. It's really not a huge deal. Plan to rebuild them anyways. I want to get 3.5-inch lips all the way around. That's just 3-inch right now, and then this is 2-inch. No, I'm happy. They're cleaner than they were. Less brown. Ooh, a lot less brown actually. Can't really get my fingers back under the spokes, but that's whatever. I'm not too worried. It's pretty good. I'm not disappointed. Unless Cooper doesn't have anything to do on his SC300, the next video will probably be coilovers for this and putting it on the fucking ground and lowering this thing. I have to compete with this guy. He's fitting in like this.